How to use stopwatch or timer in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it latest, go back to home screen and again go to app library. Now here click on clock app. Now here click on stopwatch. Click on stopwatch. So if you want to use, so click on start. You will see stopwatch is start. So if you want to increase lap from here, so if you want to stop, so click on stop and start again. So if you want to reset, so click on reset, you will see. So if you want to use timer from here, so click on timer and click on start, you will see. After finish timer, siren is on. So after the procedure, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use stopwatch or timer in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.